All right, folks, here comes Amtrak Coast Starlight train number 11. This is your southbound train to Los Angeles, going by Fruitvale Avenue crossing. An ALC 42 Siemens Charger leading this one. This train is about an hour behind schedule due to Amtrak train 11 struck a vehicle at Marysville. So this train is behind schedule right now. So here she comes. All right, make that 2 ALC 42s. All right, ALC 42, 323 later. Look at that train. That train is going southbound to Los Angeles. Heads up to Sally Angel Garbage Man. Heads up to RCM guy. I know he's at school. Heads up to everybody. That train is headed towards your guys' line. I'm Marcel Hall. Have a good one. Bye-bye.